Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. I'm Sadanand Parashar from Civil Engineering Department. Subject Design of Concrete Structure. Lecture number 13 and topic name doubly reinforced rectangular beams. Here we will discuss about design of doubly reinforced rectangular beam theory with examples. If a beam cross section is limited because of architectural or other considerations, it may happen that the concrete cannot develop the compression force required to resist the give bending moment. In this case, reinforcing is added in the compression zone, results in a so-called doubly reinforced beam, that is, one with compression as well as tension reinforcement. Compression reinforcement is also used to improve stability, improve long-term deflection, and to provide support for strips throughout the beam. Tests of doubly reinforced concrete beams have shown that even if the compression concrete crushes, the beam may very well not collapse if the compression steel is enclosed by strips. In doubly reinforced beam, we used reinforcement or steel bars, compression side and tension side. If we use one side, then this is called doubly reinforced, singly reinforced. Benefit of doubly reinforced beam. Ease is in fabrication. Use corner bar to hold and anchor strips. Reduced sustained load deflections. Creep of concrete in compression zone. Transfer load to compression steel. Reduce stress in concrete. Less creep. Less sustained load deflection. This is the analysis and design diagram for doubly reinforced beam. In singly beam, we show that steel bars use only one side, tension side. But in this beam, we use steel bars, tension side as well as compression side. In this diagram, width of beam is small b, effective depth of beam small d, and overall depth of the beam small h, and effective cover compression side is small d dash, and effective cover from neutral axis d minus cb, and compression side maximum from neutral axis denoted by cb. And strength diagram, maximum strength compression side 0.003 and tension side strain equal to yield strength of steel. In stress diagram, maximum stress 0.85 FC dash. This is strength calculation for doubly beam. Nominal resisting moment when compression steel yields. This is the diagram, case 1 and case 2. Compression side, area of steel into Fy, and tension side AST into Fy. This is diagram, show the strain maximum 0.003 and concrete compression and concrete compression side is steel. So CC equal to 0.85 FC dash A into B, and steel equal to area of steel into Fs, yield strength of steel, and tension side area of steel into Fy, yield strength of steel. Total resisting moment can be considered as sum of moment from corresponding areas of tension and compression steel, the moment of some portion of the tension steel acting with concrete. So overall moment equal to area of steel minus area of steel dash into Fy bracket D minus beta 1 into C divided by 2 bracket close plus area of steel dash into Fy bracket D minus D dash. And from equilibrium condition 0.85 FC dash into AB इक्वल टू किसके इक्वल होगा, एरिया ऑफ स्टील माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्टील डैश इंटू Fy. Here we solve the value of A. For solving area of A, one side only A, other values taking other side. Then the equation is A equal to area of steel minus area of steel dash divided by 0.85 FC dash into B and multiply with Fy. Computing the design moment strength of the section as shown in figure, if Fy equal to 60,000 psi and Fc dash equal to 4,000 psi. Here 2 bars and bottom side 4 bars, width 14 inches and compression side effective depth 2.5 inches and bottom size tension side 3 inches and overall depth 27 inches. This is the beam cross section for example. Writing the equilibrium equation assuming Fs dash equal to Fy. Then area of steel into Fy equal to 0.85 Fc dash into B into beta 1 into C plus area of steel Fy. Area of steel, which is 5.06 inches square, into Fy. Fy is 60,000 psi. We can written as 60 kilo SI equal to 0.85 Fc dash value 4000 psi, which is written as 4 ksi. Small b 14 inches, beta 1 0.85 and C plus as dash value 1.20 inches square into Fy 16,000 psi. We put here 60 ksi, kilo SI. In this equation we can solve value of C. C equal to C put one side and all other values put other side and solve. Finally we solve value of C equal to 5.72 inch. Value of A from here, A equal to beta 1 into C. Beta 1 value 0.85 and C we get from the above equation 5.72 inch. So we get A equal to 4.86 inch. Computing strain in compression steel to verify assumptions that it is yielding. Es dash equal to C minus D dash upon C multiply with 0.003. All the values are put. Es value 0.00169 and C 5.7 inch minus D dash 2.5 inch upon 5.72 inch. Y equal to Fy upon Es, Young's modulus of steel. Fy value 60,000 psi and Es value, which is 2 into 10 की power 5 Newton, which can be converted into psi, which give 29 into 10 की power 6 psi, which put here and solve Ey equal to 0.00207, which is greater than Es dash. We can solve above the equation. Since the assumption is not valid, we have to use the equilibrium equation that is based on Fs dash not yielding. So the formula is AS into Fy equal to 0.85 Fc dash beta 1 Cb plus AS dash bracket C minus D dash upon C into 0.003 into ES. AS value 5.06 inch square, Fy value 60 KSI and 0.85 into Fc dash 4 KSI, beta 1 0.85 into C, B value 14 inch plus AS dash which value 1.20 inch square, bracket C minus D dash value 2.5 inch upon C into 0.003 into ES value here 29,000 KSI. Solving the quadratic equation for C equal to 6 inch and A equal to beta 1 C, which is 5.10 inch. Computing strain, stresses and steel areas. ES dash equal to C minus D dash upon C into 0.003. Put all the values and we get ES dash equal to 0.00175, which is less than EY. Fs dash value we get by formula ES dash into ES. So above equation we get ES dash value and multiply with 29,000 KSI. Then we get Fs dash equal to 50.75 KSI. Now we can solve AST2. AST2 equal to AS dash into Fs dash divided by Fy. AS dash is 1.20 inch square multiply with Fs dash 50,750 PSI divided by Fi, which is 60,000 PSI. Here we get AST2, which is 1.015 inches square. Now total area of steel, which is denoted by AS, which is sum of AST1 plus AST2. Here we calculate value of AST2 in above equation. So we can solve AST1. AST1 equal to total area of steel AS minus AST2. Total area of steel is 5.06 inch square minus AST2 1.015 inch square. So we get area of steel 1 AST1 equal to 4.045 inch square. Now we can solve ET, which formula equal to D minus C upon C into 0.003. All the value put in this equation and we get ET equal to 0.0090, which is greater than 0.005. So we use phi equal to 0.9. Then the design moment strength is this formula equal to phi mn equal to phi ast1 into fy into bracket d minus a by 2 bracket close plus as bar into fs bar bracket d minus d dash bracket close. So all the value put here, phi equal to 0.9, ast1 4.05 inch square, fy 60 ksi, d 24 inch minus a 5.10 divided by 2, as dash equal to 1.20, fs dash equal to 50.75, d 24 minus d dash 2.5. All the values calculated, and finally we get 488.650 K. Design of doubly reinforced beam. So we can solve one example. A beam is limited to the dimension b equal to 15 inch, d equal to 20 inch, d dash equal to 4 inch if md bending moment equal to 170 feet K, ml equal to 225 50 K feet K, fc dash equal to 4000 psi and fy equal to 60,000 psi. Select the reinforcing required. Solution: mu equal to ultimate moment equal to 1.2 into 170 plus 1.6 into 225. We get 564 feet K. Assuming phi here 0.9, then mn equal to, put mn formula this value and we get mn value 626.7. Now we solve ast1. We put all these value in ast1 formula and we get ast1 equal to 5.43 inches square. We can solve rho value from here. Rho equal to 0.0181 mu upon 5 bd square. We can put mu value, phi value, b value and d value. Then we get rho equal to 912 psi. Mu, we can calculate mu1, ultimate bending moment 1. All the value put here and we get mu1 equal to 410.450 K feet K. Now we solve mn1 and mn1 equal to mu1 divided by 5. So we put mu1 value divided by 5 which is 0.9. Then we get mn1 which is 456 fit K. We can solve mn2. For mn2, total mn minus mn1. Then we get mn2 170.7 fit K. Checking to see if compression steel has yielding. So we can calculate value AC. A equal to AST1 into Fy divided by 0.85 FC dash into B. All these value put here and we get A equal to 6.39 inch. And we get C value, C equal to A upon beta 1, which is previous discuss. And we get C equal to 7.52 inch. All these values, after all we get all these values, then we calculate ES dash. We can put all these value in ES dash formula and we get ES dash equal to 0.00207. Next we calculated Fs dash and Fs dash equal to 40.6 KSI. Theoretically, AS dash Mn2 upon Fs dash D minus D dash. Put all the values put here and we get AS required 3.15 inches square. Also we calculated AST2 by this equation, AS dash Fs dash equal to AST2 into Fy, and we solve AST2 equal to 2.12 inches square. After solving AST1 and AST2, we calculated overall AST, which is AST1 plus AST2, and we get 7.55 inches square. Subsequent checks using actual steel area, ET equal to 0.00495, phi equal to 0.896, and phi mn equal to 459.450 K fit K, which is less than mu by about 0.1%. Thank you.